You can use live transcripts or closed captions to automatically transcribe your Zoom session. So here's how to do it. This has to be set per meeting. So you set this at the beginning of the meeting. Unfortunately, the next meeting, you have to set it again. First thing is to make sure you maximize your Zoom window so you can see all the buttons on the bottom. And look for that live transcript button, which should be right next to record. Click that, and then click enable auto transcription. And you can close that window out. It shows that closed captioning has been enabled. I'm going to unmute my mic, and you'll see that now transcripts are showing up at the bottom of the Zoom window. If the host has enabled closed captioning or live transcription, the participants will see this message in the top. They'll still have to take one more steps to view that on their side. So again, start by maximizing your window, find the live transcript button. As a participant, you will now have the ability to show the subtitles, and there they'll show up right at the bottom. Or if they click on live transcript, they could choose to view the full transcript, which will pop out in a side window. Or if they click that button, they can go into subtitle settings and choose the size of the display and of the font.